Khadki Pada, a habitation of Konkani tribes in Nawapur Taluka, in the district of Nandurbar of Maharashtra, is situated on the Maharashtra-Gujarat border. This tribe has been deprived of even the basic necessities of life. These people were isolated from the process of development for a long period of time. Today, gradually, this tribal belt is rooting itself in the soil of development. With an objective to preserve the land and increase agricultural production, and also to facilitate development of education and health, Watershed Organization Trust, an organization, started the watershed development work in Khadki Pada.
The condition of the village previously was not that good. Resources like water and forest land were available. However, there was no guidance available. The people would take just one rainy crop and then migrate to Gujarat after. Even from the government, there was no support to the people that they should stay back in the village and work towards the development.
To achieve the goals of development, Jai Bajrang Watershed Development Committee was founded in the village. The committee is consistently working in the village to serve the purpose of sustainable development. On the 15th of each month, the committee calls for a meeting. Besides men, women also participate in these meetings. Together, they chalk out plans for future work.
The people here would come for work, but not for meetings. Later, in due time, many things were taught to the villagers in Watershed Development Committee's training course. As awareness was created, the number of people attending the meetings of Watershed and Village Committee increased rapidly.
Earlier, the project farmers used the services of money lenders to obtain loans for the purpose of farming or ill health. After the watershed development project was initiated, implemented and successfully run, money lenders were not required anymore.
These activities not only increased the number of trees, among other things, but it also provided employment opportunities. There were many advantages. Water got accumulated, and in return, because of these dams, farming benefited a lot. The NGO and the people of the village asked me to volunteer for the watershed work. The training that I received helped me a lot. I am now able to support my family from the salary I get.
Because of the watershed committee, self-help groups consisting of women got importance. And because of this importance, we have started finding all bank complexities very easy.
Inputs were provided to the farmers to start using organic fertilizers besides chemical fertilizers. The farmers were encouraged to try out new methods and approaches in the farming. Vermiculture was one of these. It proved as a great opportunity for the uneducated and unemployed youth of Khadki Pada.
I was born and brought up in Gujarat. But after the project, I have stopped going to Gujarat. The organization Water trained me to make and use the organic fertilizers. By having the vermicompost unit, the waste gets recycled.
ली और हमने गांडूल खत बनाया है। गांडूल खत कैसे बनता है, उसको क्या क्या करना पड़ता है।
For vermicompost unit to be operational, water, waste material from the farm and dung are required.
लाने की बहुत जरूरी
Now, I know thoroughly the fertilizer making
पानी
method.
भी डालना पड़ता है, ये सब चीज़।
The improved income of families and increased employment helped a lot to enrich the family life of the people. This also stopped migration of family members in search of livelihood.
हो फरक भरपूर झाला आहे। म्हणजे पहिले म्हणजे काम चालू नव्हतं तेव्हा
The scenario has changed a lot.
फारच जायचं, पण आता इथे पालट क्षेत्र
Migration to Gujarat for employment has stopped completely with the help of the watershed project.
गुजरातमध्ये बंदच आहे।
Adult literacy classes were started in Khadkipada to promote education. This proved as a new opportunity, especially for the uneducated youth of the village.
प्रौढ शिक्षण पण चालू आहे।
Adult education is taking place. Previously, a lot of people were uneducated.
The Watershed Development Project proved to be a very good opportunity for the tribals who were deprived of education up till now.
स्थिती अशी आहे की लोक स्थलांतरण करायचे, म्हणजे गुजरातला जायचे, लहान मुलांना पण घेऊन जायचे।
As families migrated, the education of the children was the first thing to suffer.
जावं लागायचं त्यांना, परिवारासहित जायचे ते, आणि मुलांचं शिक्षण अर्ध अपुरं राहून नंतर ते होळीला एखादा सण राहिला ना तेव्हा परत यायचे।
म्हणजे महिलांना हा फायदा झाला आहे का?
Now the former scenario is no more. Now children have started going to school because migration has decreased.
गुजरातमध्ये घेऊन जायचे ते आता तसं नाही, आता शाळेत पण जातात, हा फायदा झाला आहे।
Children were encouraged to get primary education. To complement the objectives of the development committee, members were trained at Sri Rampur as a part of this development scheme.
कसं कसं कामे करायचं आणि समितीला काय काय
I was trained during the training course.
त्यांच्याबद्दल शिकवलं होतं।
The villagers were taught in the training on how they could achieve people's participation.
ला सहभाग द्यायचा, जर इथे काय शिकवलं तर लोकांना पण सांगून द्यायचं, आणि कामाचं, झाडाचं, मोजमापाचं, म्हणजे मोजमाप चालेल तिथे तुम्ही राहायचं, आणि असं म्हणजे आम्हाला शिकवलं होतं पहिल्या वर्षी।
This training helped to improve the caliber of the members of the committee.
ट्रेनिंगचा फायदा गावाला एक झाला होता की
In the training course, we were asked to visit other projects.
ट्रेनिंग चालू होता आणि जेवण करून सुट्टी दिली होती।
After the visit to projects on nearby hills, they genuinely felt that we should do the same kind of work in our village.
Even landless families of Khadkipada were encouraged to participate in the Watershed Development Project.
गावामध्ये 113 कुटुंबी।
There are 113 families in the village, of which 38 of them are landless.
काही त्यातले 38 कुटुंबांपैकी बरेचसे लोक
Only 10 to 12 families can be termed as well-settled farmers.
गुजरातमध्ये जायचे, आणि
Few who had 2 to 5 hectares of land earlier used to go to Gujarat in search of work.
बऱ्यापैकी जमीन आहे चांगली, आणि बाकीचे बी मध्यम शेतकरी, आणि लँड होल्डिंग पॅटर्न 1-2 हेक्टरच्या आसपासच जमीन आहे लोकांना।
At the initial stages of watershed development, a map was prepared of the respective village. Accordingly, a plan for the watershed area was developed. Shramadan, that is, voluntary contribution, is quintessential in any watershed development project. An attitude self-help always helps in increasing the participation level of villagers and makes the project more people-oriented. This program also generates employment and encourages villagers to inculcate the tendency of saving money for the right cause. Water conservation treatments like water absorption trenches on the hillocks, continuous contour trenches, CCTs, on the slopes, and plantations were started in Khadkipada. Slowly, people started understanding the importance of watershed development. To achieve the objective of women's development under the Watershed Development Program, self-help groups and a women's committee was formed. Because of Women's Committee, a platform was available for the women. Women started coming together with an objective to enrich their own lives.
Watershed Organization Trustच्या कर्मचाऱ्यांनी
Because of the activities of Watershed Development Program, self-help groups and village development committees were formed. These village-level organizations now are taking responsibilities and maintaining records of the work.
4 self-help groups of women were formed, and they started their work in Khadkipada.
का पैसे मागायला काय अडचण होतं
Generally, the committees naturally get dissolved as the organization moves from the place. But I find these self-help groups very efficient as they are working independently. After the completion of the project, if Watershed Organization Trust withdraws from Khadkipada one day, it will not be a problem because the women of this village are very active, determined and well trained.
आणि त्याचा त्यांना जो काही बचत गटांमार्फत जो त्यांना सध्या फायदा मिळू राहिला आहे त्याचा ते निश्चितच लाभ घेतील.
बचते गोटा यस्ता मीटिंग हाये ददम चाले रमा मेरा लपाव बचते गोटा यस्ता मीटिंग हाये ददम चाले रमा मेरा लपाव. महिलांनी जे गट तयार केले तर आपण आपल्याला जी अडचण आली आहे ती
Men saw women solving financial problems with the help of self-help groups, and men formed self-help group too.
आपण काहीच करू शकत नाही, आपण सुद्धा बचत करायला पाहिजे म्हणून पुरुषांनी सुद्धा महिलांना बघून गट तयार केले. हे आजपर्यंत ज्या महिला होत्या त्यांना बचतीचे महत्त्व कळायचे नाही आणि काही लोक
Formerly, women were not aware about the savings and small-scale businesses, but with organizations' guidance, women were able to start small-scale businesses and become truly independent.
सगळंच काही अनुभव मिळालं म्हणून सर्व काही लघु व्यवसाय छोटे मोठे करू शकतात महिला. एवढं तरी आपल्या संस्थेने फारच महिलांना मार्गदर्शन केलं.
With help from the organization, people really started feeling that they are heading towards genuine development.
एखादा खेड असं आहे की तिथं एखादी योजना सुद्धा गव्हर्नमेंटची जी स्कीम असते ती आजपर्यंत गेलीच नाही. अशी वाटर संस्था जाऊ शकते, एखाद्या खेड्यांमध्ये काम करू शकते. आणि
Earlier, the women were confined to the 4 walls of their homes. Because of the watershed project, the women are coming out in the open, and there is tremendous change in their social and economic conditions.
पुढे जायला संधी भेटली आपल्या वाटर संस्थेमुळे.
Earlier, the villagers used to stay in the village only during Holi, the festival of color. After the watershed project, migration to Gujarat, which used to take place, has stopped.
मग त्यापासून ते गुजरातमध्ये जायचं बंद झालं त्या लोकांचं. हे वाटर संस्था
The watershed project benefited the people. Soil used to get eroded, leaving the farmers helpless. Thanks to the watershed project, now the soil does not erode It conserves water and increases productivity of land.
तर हे पाणी थांबवायलासाठी असं त्यासाठी म्हणजे वॉटर संस्थाने म्हणजे गावात काम चालू केलं. हे गावाला फायदा व्हायला पाहिजे असं.
Gabion dams were built to collect water flowing through large drainages. Water availability increased because of earthen structures' stone bunds. It stopped soil erosion and solved the problem of water scarcity. With the purpose of conserving more water during the monsoons, stone and cement dams were built. This helped to elongate the period for which water was available. Check dams were built on canals so to harvest the rainwater. As continuous contour trenches were dug on the barren lands, the water started percolating. It stopped the soil erosion. In order to preserve the dampness, afforestation was practiced. The refilling of CCT was done as well.
Because of VAT and CCT, water levels in these dams increased.
यामुळे जास्त 5 फूट वाढला.
Due to watershed development, the water levels of the wells in the area increased. Many new wells were dug in the villages, and this development helped a lot in improving the agricultural situation. Besides the water levels of these wells, the water levels of reservoirs also improved in the watershed area. As farms were provided with sufficient water supply, the agricultural produce improved.
We used to produce 3 to 4 bags of desi rice, and now we produce 15 bags of rice.
गावामध्ये शेतीविषयक पण बरेच लोकांनी बदल करून घेतलेले.
Many farmers have changed their strategies. Now they have started taking horticultural crops. There are at least 5 to 6 good horticultural projects in the village.
लागवड झाली. 5-6 शेतकऱ्यांच्या फळबागा चांगल्या आहे.
As farms were provided with sufficient water supply, the agricultural produce improved. All categories of landholders benefited out of it. As the standard of farming improved, it also yielded employment at local levels. As employment was made available at local levels, this in return helped in controlling urban migration. The income of women improved through self-help groups and the benefits of watershed work. As a result, apart from their traditional occupations, women also turned towards small-scale occupations like candle making. With the initiatives of water, self-employment was also encouraged in the village. The young people who were migrating to Gujarat became entrepreneurs as the local farming business improved.
गुजरात में
Migration has reduced. People are now making money and are now able to run their households.
रहने के लिए हमारे पास पैसे मिल जाते हैं और घर सफाई भी होती है और गांव में रहना भी मिलता है.
Most of the young people in Khadkipada were illiterate.
जेणेकरून शेतीच्या माध्यमातून
Along with farming, the situation with regard to education is also improving.
त्याचबरोबर शिक्षण
Literacy levels are on the rise, and there are few students who have appeared for the diploma in engineering course.
आणि इथून मागची परिस्थिती पाहिले तर पेमेंट वाढताना बरेचसे लोक अंगठास टाकवायचे.
an attempt was made to introduce the villagers with the government policies and educational institutions.
आपण इथं गव्हर्नमेंटला लिंकेज असं
A farmers' camp was also held in the village.
शेतकरी मेळावा घेतलेला होता. शेतकरी मेळाव्यामध्ये
A government officer and professors from an agriculture college were called for the camp.
सेविके आणि त्याच्यानंतर प्राध्यापक लोक आणले होते धुळे ॲग्रिकल्चर कॉलेजचे. तर त्यांनी शेतकरी मेळाव्यामध्ये शेतीविषयक माहिती सांगितली. हा एक कार्यक्रम
Furthermore,
झाला.
health camps were held in the village.
आरोग्य शिबिर घेतले क्लस्टर लेवलला. त्यांचा बी गावाला उपयोग करता आला. त्याचबरोबर कृषी खात्यामार्फत एक छोटंसं पाझर तलावाचं काम इथं झालेलं आहे. नालाबंड म्हणून.
A reservoir with the help of agriculture department was also built in the village.
भेटायचे म्हणून त्या कार्यक्रमात पण सहभागी झाले. म्हणजे आपल्या कामात वेळ देऊन ते पण काम पूर्ण करून घेतलं.
Khadkipada is developing through its watershed development program. There is a reduction in the number of people who were migrating to neighboring states for livelihood. Gradually and stably, Khadkipada is walking the path of sustainable development. Khadkipada is now enlightened and knows that the journey of integrated development starts from one's inner self.